Okay, we were way up here overlooking a hill. There's a hospital over there, and you can see all this kind of foliage and grass, and it comes right up to these tall buildings, and it's pretty cool. So if you can see way over there, there's well, there's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There's well, there's like a really cool rooftop, and then a series of kind of cool apartments that are on the edges there. But there's like rooftops all over the place. So this one has like a little garden everywhere. This one is empty. So they all kind of have different stuff. Some of them have tables, but all of them are kind of surrounded by this lush greenery of the mountainside. So it's actually quite amazing, actually. It's like sometimes you don't really think. This is one of the most densest cities in the world, so sometimes there's just all kinds of surprises everywhere. And then this tall building, it starts way down at the base, so it's probably like 10 stories, I don't know. And then there's, anyways, this tree goes right up there. You could, man, I don't know. Okay. Anyways, the purpose of this particular one is that I wanted to walk up this street that's kind of up in the sky a little bit, because looks like there's some kind of cool stuff everywhere for one. So it looks like they can do some incense stuff here. Oh wow, okay. So this one you can see all the way down there. If I had my zoom camera, you could see how far down that goes. You might be able to see it if this camera is on a good view. So we're gonna just walk through here. So this is all connected to the hospital. So they're probably on break. There's, wow, another cool looking building too. And this one too, huh. But the one I'm gonna explore right now is this abandoned looking one. So I'm just gonna get over on this side. But this looks kind of abandoned too. Looks like if somebody could get a hold of this one and paint it, it'd be amazing. Okay, continued with the shards of glass, and we're getting to this. It's kind of a cool space too. There's this abandoned building, and I don't know how long this camera is gonna last. These GoPros don't really have very good longevity, unfortunately. Granted, we're asking them to do quite a bit too, so they're like some great cameras, but at the same time, it's a pretty cool looking building too. Looks like an apartment with some nice spacious apartments right next to the hospital. I wonder if they're part of the hospital. Okay, but this is the building I was going to check out. This one right there. So maybe I will cross the street a little bit. Huh. Look how cool those little corners are. Wow. Go all the way up like that. Look how it's like really cool looking apartment stuff. Those little window stuff, it's like just amazing. You just kind of come out, put a chair there or something like that, and just like look down the... Anyways, this is the one that we're going to be looking at. So the one next to it is even cooler though, so I'll do a little bit of both like that. So yeah, this one's completely abandoned. So what's this all about? It's just completely stripped of everything. So I don't know, man, it's like some of that stuff is so cool looking. Okay, so but this is the one that I came over to look at, and it looks like completely abandoned. This would be an interesting one to do some urban pioneering. Ah, this temple. Didn't even know I was standing next to a temple. It also looks kind of dilapidated, and okay, here's our other dilapidated one, which looks strangely cleaned and organized. And there's dogs up there. Wow, that's good. Oh no, the dog is up there. It's yelling from inside there somewhere. Oh, that dog has a big bark too. Dang, that's crazy. Huh. Okay. Anyways, there's some pretty crazy stuff around here. So we're gonna just walk down and just film this spot that's very seldom filmed, and I'm going to put my camera over this thing in a second and you can see what's here. So I can't see anything because I just reached my hand up there really high. But anyways, we're going to conclude this in a minute, and we're going to be coming down into something else that I'm not really sure what it is, but you can see all these nice condo looking apartments next to this place that's completely abandoned for some reason. Huh, look at this. Man, Well, they're definitely keeping it with electricity. Anyways, so this is just like some abandoned space all the way around and kind of left for who knows what. All the cleaning stuff, rooms and things like that. Okay, my camera keeps overheating, so I think we're gonna end it right here. I'll just look over the side a little bit. So there you go. So this one goes downhill, of course, so this one goes uphill, and then you have this big, tall, abandoned building surrounded by stuff that's lively everywhere else. That one almost looks abandoned too. Anyways, there's almost nothing in any of those, so that actually looks like it could also be abandoned as well. Anyways, this is the one we're focusing on, so. Chiquinha, Chiquinha, oh.